All right, well, you hear it here. She say it's pinching, feeling some type of way. But look here, it's that kind of vibe in the morning time where I'm going to tell you, you see, when we take a break in the mood, it's always for a good reason and a good cause. First time here live in Sunshine City, it's Lola Doll. And she's here in the studios with your favorite uncle. And you know what? You know, we're going to give the song up. I just hearing the song for the first time. I hearing the song for the first time. I had to beg them to send me something clean. Send me something clean because he said tight. It's pinching. All right, look here, right? We're going to vibe on this studio for a bit. And then we're going to talk to the doll. And she pretty and she's a doll for real. Oh gosh, Lord, if you only know. Let me play this song back because I need to talk to this lady.
Say, Martin, what's up? It's your Guyanese body with the body. Cement. Here, live.
You know it? The Guyanese body with the body. Gosh. Miss Doll, good morning.
Good morning to you, Uncle.
Well, usually when you sit into the studios, it's the mood in the morning, and we take a break in the mood, and we call it the sunrise sit down. We have a conversation. This is not an interview. I want to talk to you.
Okay.
Well, yeah, you say okay.
Let's
Well,
talk.
good. Well, this is the first time you're here in St. Martin?
No.
No, because I'm trying to say you look familiar, but afraid to say you look familiar because I got some people listening. They're going to want to know where I meet you before. But it's all right. We're going to say that.
It's not my first time. I love this island. It's like my third time.
It's like your third time here, so you like coming here.
Yes.
And how long have you been in the... Because I got a phone call last night and they say, yo, uncle, you're doing the sunrise sit down in the morning. I say, for who? They say for Lola Doll, and she here in St. Martin. I say, what's I go on online now? And I go on and I check. I want to see who is this Guyanese body with that kind of body. And trust me, she ain't like that.
Hey, clock.
So, Miss Doll, what do you got going on here that you're here in St. Martin? Because I'm looking at the poster, I've seen it all over the place. Talk to the people, let them know what's going on with you.
So I'm here in St. Martin to talk to my niece them.
Do you niece them?
Yes.
How much niece you have? Because I are uncle and you are auntie too. This is what going on?
You know, when I land, I posted a video. Mm-hmm. And when I posted the video, I had 64,000 followers on Instagram. Mm-hmm. And within 8 hours, 1,000 people from St. Martin started to follow.
Wow.
And a lot of messages. I mean, people know, but once you land in a country or at whatever, then it's full confirmation. You check? So it's like people is so excited, and I am excited because this is my first time performing here.
Right.
And I know there's a lot of Guyanese over here that's coming out. Mm-hmm. A lot of nieces.
Yeah. A friend of mine, I just walk with a few of them, and he done send me a message, and he say, I come in, and I'm leaving my wife home. I say, well, all right. It's it's a method to your own madness, my brother, but I'm telling you.
I personally...
Tell him walk with your wife, right?
Will get a niece for every nephew.
Ooh. So you're getting a niece for every nephew, but what you going to get for the uncle them? Because the uncle them might show up.
Well, the uncles them is the nephews too. It don't matter how old you are, I am still your auntie. You have to have respect.
Okay then. All right. Oh, you hear that? Okay, how old you is, that is still your auntie.
Correct.
All right, Miss Doll, how long have you been in the business, and how long have you been doing what you're doing? Because we just want to know. And if you just get 1,000 people from St. Martin, that's 1,000 new people from your 67,000 that you have already.
Exactly.
Well,
Well, a year and a half or a year and change. I just started.
You just started?
Yes.
And popular like that already?
Yeah, the people them like the craziness. They like the raw, And I don't sugarcoat nothing. I speak my mind.
I realize that because I have to beg them to send me the clean versions of your song. Because I can't, I would like to play it, but I can't play it. I could play it in my car, but I can't play it on the radio. I can't do it. But I realize when I'm listening to the previous song, because I guess this is your new track, because I see you have a lot of tracks. What I'm playing in the background here right now, this is called How You Do It. I want to play the song, but I want to know how you. Anyhow, pinching is kind of like Pinching is like a soca, but when I'm listening to this beat here from how you do it, it's kind of like a hip hop.
It's a hip hop.
It's a hip hop.
I'm into hip hop and zest music only. That's the only genre of music
You're
I
into,
target.
say it again. Hip hop and what?
Zest.
Zest. Zest. That's
Pinching is a zest.
Uh-huh.
Come downstairs.
Explain me the zest. Explain to me the zest.
Okay.
Because we do the hip hop we know. But explain me the zest. Because what now, you see, it was a thing because with the station that you're on right now, which is Tropics 105.5, here we're all part of the Laser and Phillipsburg Broadcasting, but this station here and the program that I do is all Caribbean music. So you get Caribbean, you get Zouk, you get soca, you get... So when I started listening to some of your songs, I was like, well, yeah, but this is kind of like a hip-hop artist. But it's a break in the mood, so we can have a conversation about anything.
Okay.
But explain to the people what is zest music, because I think they need to know.
Okay. Zest music.
Because pinching is zest, you see.
Yes. Pinching is zest. I have like 6 or 7 zest songs and about 9 hip hop. I really love hip hop, but zest is for the culture.
Zest is for the culture.
For the culture.
Because I've realized the person that's on zest, I can hear the Trinidad accent in whoever. I guess that's the producer.
Yes. So
yeah, explain us what zest is.
Okay, let me break it down.
Yeah, break it down for me. I want you to break it down for me and my listeners, so we know when we come out this weekend to see you, Lola Doll, and I'm going to repeat it again and is the Guyanese body with the body. You hear that?
With the cement body.
Oh, cement?
Yes.
Oh, well, you know. Well, all you know is cement is cement. If the cement mix I like, which means it's solid. It's solid. Yeah.
Yes. So, you see like how America, where they have hip-hop music. They're into that.
Right.
Jamaica, they're into reggae, dancehall.
Right.
Trinidad, Guyana, we like soca. Right? So zest is something like soca, but there's a more bounce where you can shake and you can move like...
Before you see what I see here, when that cement started, listen, this is solid cement, but it got in a lot of fiber in it. So, when cement got in fiber to the...
Oh my God, not fiber.
Yeah. It's fiber to the cement, boy.
So zest really is bounce. And it's given a bit soca, but not fully soca, but a more flavor to soca.
Okay. So I could
more hype to it.
It's like the dancehall music that comes out of Trinidad. What do they call Trini badness or what do they call that now again?
Yes, it's something like lava, like what lava sing.
Like
sure.
yes.
So
right.
yeah, that's zest.
That's zest. All right. So it is zest and soca. So you'll be giving them a bit of everything. But look here, right? We have a tendency in here when we drop something, we just want to hear the artist do a little something to you. Understand?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Your favorite uncle
Snatch?
since you say Snatch.
Do you have Snatch?
Nah, man, it's pinching we want here, man. We want here. We want your pinch. What the sense of dropping it and not dropping it, or you're supposed to drop it? Look here, son.
This man is trouble.
Yeah.
Big uncle use trouble,
Yeah. That's why everybody's favorite uncle.
I see why.
Yeah, it's everybody's favorite uncle. So when I say there's something. But look here, Sunshine City. She's here in the studios with me, and you know how we just do it. We just do it live.
Tell your man, tight it pinching. This guy needs got the right engine. Call me Lola Doll. When you
my name he just called.
Tight and ready for icy girl who don't come for me, cause I'm come for free. Plus your man
Listen, right? Look. Listen, I got
I am very much trying to behave myself, if you notice.
Yeah, I noticed, but there's nothing wrong with a little misbehavior here early in the morning. But listen, right?
I don't want to give you guys red flags on the radio station.
That's all right.
Because
she say when she ride, is her name. Listen, this was
when I ride it, it's God name he's got called.
God.
Yes.
Oh gosh. Listen, right? I don't even know what to tell her. I don't know about this young lady in here now, Miss Lola. Where will you be performing, and when and what time? Because I have the flyer here. But I need you to tell the people of Sunshine City.
I'm here to tell them what's up.
Hello.
Up?
Yeah.
My niece is out there with the tightest, you don't know. So it's your beautiful auntie here, Lola on the beat. I'm trying to be very demure right now. I'm trying to behave myself. I don't want to give y'all strikes because my mouth is very dirty. So nieces, y'all come out and get the real deal. The real deal tomorrow night at We Launch. It's going to be a movie. I'm going to create something in St. Martin that y'all never see before. If y'all think I'm lying, go on my IG and see how it's operate. It's a up and a down I give me all tomorrow. Up and a down.
Up and a down.
When I done with y'all can bring me back for carnival. One time. Flight, everything. Book out. Lola gone. Back to St. Martin. Pack your suitcase.
Pack your suitcase.
Live there and done.
Live there and done.
Type shit.
What, that type of thing. It's all right. See, we could let 1-2-ish slide.
Oh my
1-2-ish could slide. So Lola, this is going to be going on. That's Saturday. That's tomorrow night.
Tomorrow, yeah.
That's at We Lounge.
We Lounge.
And who else is going to be there with you? Because I'm looking at the poster and I see you have my homeboy DJ Zero is going to be there. DJ Kid. And you are here, it's just you alone? So it is you alone going to be going on with all this badness?
No, I don't be alone.
You come with your dancers?
I never alone.
So you come with your dancers?
I is the dancer, my niece them come on the stage and they're going to give me what all they got, all the cement I want them on the stage.
So are you hear that? So she is inviting all the St. Martin,
all the good body
needs them. All the good body needs them. So, but you see what the thing is, right, ladies? You know me. It's all shapes, sizes, and colors. Because St. Martin,
we don't judge.
Something you need to know about St. Martin, right? There's 120 different voting nationalities here.
Really?
I mean, that's 120 different type of bodies we're talking about.
You lie.
And everybody coming to see you say. So everybody can come out. And
I got space for all them.
You got space.
We can pack up like sardine and if we got hello.
Hell, well.
When I rock the ship, we drinking the rum. I said, we drink it. Y'all can get a tow truck and tow me out today.
You see, but you have to be very, very careful, because St. Martin ain't like no other place, our rum kind of free.
Oh my God.
Yeah, our rum kind of free. You understand? What you're going to pay in Guyana and what you're going to pay everywhere else.
Oh my God.
We getting 2-3 for the price of one where you be.
You lie.
Yeah, so be careful when you start talking about drinking,
right?
Because we want you to drink too much and then come out there. Because I know I know all your bodies when all you drink or you get on worse than how
anything is anything.
Everything is everything, not anything.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Everything. Because listen, I don't hold back. You see this mouth? Listen to Succeed.
Listen before you see this mouth.
Listen to Succeed. I have a song named Succeed. That will educate you about me more. Get into details.
Well, listen, right? What we're going to do right now, though, we have to play one of Lola. We're going to play Pinchin', and then we're going to come back with Miss Lola. We have to play Pinchin' so you know what's going on. All right?
I want all the girls that come downstairs.
Tell your man, tight it pinching. This guy needs he got the right engine. Call me Lola Doll. When you ready, man, my name he just call. I'm ready. I used to stick your mouth. Don't come for me, cause I don't come for free. Plus your man, some keep tighter than you.
What is going on here?
My niece saw that with a tight. Tell your man, tight it pinching. This guy needs he got the right engine. Call me Lola Doll. When you ready, man, my name he just call. I'm ready. I used to stick your mouth. Don't come for me, cause I don't come for free. Plus your man, some keep tighter than you.
Lola, where's all this bacchanal? Where's this scene with that?
No, Squid, I just gotta tell them more something, and I just gotta tell these old chicken fowl, these old yard goat, these old bats, what time it is.
Tight, yeah, just tight it pinching. Tight it pinching. Tight it pinching. He said it all in, but the only feel like inching. Tight it pinching. Tight it pinching. Tight it pinching. No smarky can start before engine. Take Lola, get. You don't pay my bills every month. It's them chip teeth cockroach. I don't borrow them this front. I see guy in his body with the body. Mary gas may not take away the tummy. Like me could never ever fall. It's one thing about Lola Doll. Tight it pinching. Tight it pinching. Tight it pinching. He say it all in, but the only feel like inching. Tight it pinching. Tight it pinching. Tight it pinching. No smarky.
Well, if you're here, she said it tight till it pinching.
Call me Lola doll.
And she's serious about it.
I'm very serious about it too. Very dry in front of the magistrate. Hello, going down, dying. That is very tight.
Well, it's the first time I've ever had an interview or a conversation where I am stooped. I don't know what to say. I could
pick up a thing.
I want to say something, but I'm afraid. Afraid to say what I want to say. Well, listen, you have some listeners here that's been online, and they said they love you. And they're definitely looking forward to coming out and seeing you. And then I have some hombres in here saying, Uncle, is a cement body for real? I said, cement. Argo cement, BBW cement.
We're rocking the ship tomorrow. We're rocking the ship.
Problems tomorrow. Well, Miss Lola, anything you got to say to Sunshine City before you leave our beautiful station? I'm having a wonderful time. I wish I could stay here longer. But
I wish I could drink a little rum and just sit down and stay all day with you.
Gosh, Lord, make me want to go home and pick up 2-3 bottles.
Sunshine, thank you for having me. It's a beautiful studio and it's the best studio. And big up the niece them. Big up the nephews. I know you guys are going to have fun tomorrow. I just know it. We're going to live our best life. And we're going home till they clean, right? Period.
So what time would you be performing? I need to ask you that before you go, because somebody just asked me what time is she gonna be there so I can know what time to finish, what can come out.
More than likely 1-2 o'clock.
All right, so you hear it. So you have time.
You have
time to get there. You have time to change up bodies.
Yeah.
The bodies with the cement bodies.
Make sure you come out early though, because I don't know. Yeah, I want good spots. Come out early same way. You don't want to be at the back of the class, because when I'm talking,
yes,
and I say, let's.
Yeah, she said. You see this? She
I was gonna say something, you know.
Don't, you can't say it.
I can't say it. No,
You could say it after we come off of the mic, but no, you can't.
No.
You can't say that.
I can remember Trinidad radio station.
I need you all to know that this is her first time here. She's beautiful. Her music is amazing. And she is definitely going to be at We Lounge tomorrow night. She says she's going to be on stage, but she's going to be there whole night.
Yeah.
So she's here with management. She's here with her driver. She's here with the crew. Lola Doll, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much. Thank
you. For you just being here in Sunshine City. You know, welcome to St. Martin, and have yourself a wonderful time. And I am definitely coming through tomorrow, because
I'm looking forward to seeing you. If I see you,
I seen you. I gonna make sure. I gonna make sure I seen. I ain't just coming there to stand up in the back.
Make sure you hail me, you know.
I'm coming to see you. So when I walk through, yes, you know, I say, I'm me, Uncle Shaz, we in the building.
Well, nieces, you have to like it before you reach to me, right? Because he got jigger something up there for me.
Oh, you hear it?
Thank you, guys. I love ya. Period.
Thank you so much for coming through, love. It tight, it pinching. Lola Doll. The Guyanese body with the cement. It's cement, she said.